Turn up.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm about to show you guys how I installed my new wing today. As you can see, there's a few bolts that I gotta take off. This one right there. I gotta take this one off. Then this one's on. Gotta remove these. Gotta remove this one. Gotta take all of these off. As you can see, we already took all of these off. So then we just have to pull this, put this in through there, and manage this to take off too. Okay, so we took it off already. As you can see, it's right there. There's one bolt right there, one bolt right there, one bolt in there, and one bolt in there. Just gonna take those off, and then we'll start taking off the wing. When you guys are taking these off right here, what I like to do is I close it down, and then I let the bolt fall with the socket. That way, what it is just to pull on this, pry it, and get all that sticky glue off. See, got it off. Got some residue, gotta clean all that. So the way I did it, I mean, it worked. It was pretty quick, literally in less than 2 minutes. Was I put my hand under this end, I press it down right here so it wouldn't bend up, and I just started putting my fingers all around it. I stopped right here, did the same thing on this side, and it came out pretty easy. Wasn't really that bad. Take off all the sticky thing right here, all of this. So what I did was I tried to heat it up a little bit, then with my fingers I'm just pushing it. So you can see it kind of just comes off. So I've been struggling trying to remove all this adhesive, right? I don't have no adhesive remover. I don't have none of that. Try using a credit card, my fingers, rolling it, and it's tiring. But then I just got an idea of doing it with this. And honestly, it works, kind of like an eraser. Just do it one side. I mean, after that, I'll just clean up a little bit. But it saves you time. It's gonna save me a lot of time to remove all of this. Not the best way, but hey, it works. So this is the wing I got right here. It is the GT350 track pack. Let's put it on real quick just to see how it looks. It's not really that big, but honestly, compared to the original one, it makes a big difference. I like it. So the wing is on right now. It is just double-sided tape because the holes didn't line up in any of them. So what I'm gonna do later is I'm gonna drill a little hole into it and I'm gonna put a screw just to be safer. But for now, I think it should be fine. Here's how it looks. Let's look at it from the side so you guys can see. Got everything back the way it was. It's done. There you go. I do plan on getting the wicker bill for it, so it'll look more aggressive. There you go. clean. Let's go check it out outside. Home, car is clean, wing is put on. I'm about to head out for a 2-hour road trip. It's 4th of July, so I'll catch you guys later. Please like and comment, subscribe.
Now turn up.